Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn what is extruded cut. We created these two sketches in our last lecture. Now we will create features on the part using these sketches. Select a sketch and go to Extruded Cut. A window will appear on the left side. Now there are different options under Direction 1. The first one is blind. Here you can add the distance of the cut, or increase using the side buttons. Click OK. See, this is a 40 mm cut. Go to this feature and select Edit Feature. If we want a tapered cut, select this button. Now add the angle. Let's say 10 degrees. Drag the arrow to increase. This is how you create a conical groove on a part. OK. Rotate and see the hole, it is smaller on the other side. Again, re-edit. Uncheck angle and go to the second option, through all. You can create a hole through the body using this command. Now let's see another option. Just click, and edit feature. Now the third option, up to next. This will cut from this plane up to the next body. Since there is no option body part present, this will create a through hole in this body. Then the fourth option, up to vertex. Select the edge of the other face. It will cut up to the vertex only. Now see the next option, go to Edit Feature. The next option is up to surface. Select a surface and it will cut up to it. The next option is up to body. If there is a body adjacent to this one, it will cut up to it. Now in midplane, it will cut on both sides. If there is another body here, it will cut it too. In Direction 2 also, the same options will appear. Since we don't have any other body here, we don't need to use this now. In Selected Contours, we can select the sketches with which we YSH to perform a similar function. Suppose there is an array of circles on the face, we can create multiple holes using this. If you YSH to create holes in more than one body, then you can select from here. Let's just select through all option, and click OK. Now select the rectangular sketch. Go to Extruded Cut. Now again the same option will be here. There is a small box here that says, flip side to cut. If you check this, instead of creating a hole, it will cut the part from the outside. OK. Again, Edit Feature. See, there is an option for draft angle as well. You can add draft from here. Again, direction 2 is there. Selected contours, which I explained a minute earlier. OK. Rotate the part and see. If you don't want this feature, just delete it. Now we will see how to extend a part. Suppose we want to elongate the base area. Click on the base surface and go to Convert Entities. The shape of the base is converted into a sketch with this command. Now go to Features and select Extruded Boss Base. Let's extrude up to the length we wish. Say 120 mm. Now there is an option called Merge Result. Click OK. The extruded section has come out as a single body because we checked the Merge Body option. Again, go to this extruded section, and click on Edit Feature. Uncheck the Merge Result option. This time a separate body has been created. Let's see how Extruded Cut works in this condition. Select this sketch, and go to Extruded Cut. The blind option is chosen, come to Bodies. If we select all bodies, it will cut through all. But if we select only this body, it will cut only this one. Choose through all. Now you have to select which body to cut, the upper one, or the lower one. Whichever body you select will be cut. Click OK. The upper body is not affected. Only the lower one has been cut. Go to Edit Feature. Now select all bodies. See, a through hole is cut. This is how we use Extruded Cut to create holes in a part. Thanks for watching this lecture, see you in the next one.